Welcome back. Check it out. We're trying something totally new. We're trying some microgreens, and these are sunflower microgreens. I got the idea. There's tons of videos online, but the channel I was watching, I'll link up in the description below because his videos are really good and I like them. I think it was Daisy Creek Farms or something like that. I'll put the link in the description below so you can check out his channel. He shows how to grow all kinds of microgreens, and he's really good and got me started. So, this is my sunflower microgreens. He uses like cocoa coir, but I just use straight peat moss for these ones, and they seem to be doing really well because peat moss has similar properties. It's really drying. I mean, it's low nutrition, but usually these plants when they're starting new, they get all their nutrition from the seed. And so I soaked them in water overnight, and then I put the peat moss in. I got it nice and wet. I settled it down in the tray all flat, and then I spread out the seeds. I might have put a little bit too many, but that's okay. Seem to be, most of them are coming up. If some don't, that's okay. And after getting it all in there and flattened out, then I put another tray in on top to black out and weight the seeds down so the roots go the right way into the ground. Otherwise, they'll send the roots any which way if you don't settle them down, and then you won't get them rooting well. So after I left it covered up for a couple days, maybe 2.5, and I'd check it, and once I saw most of them are rooting the right way, then I took the top off and I put them outside on my step under the covered patio yesterday, and at that point it was just like little white curls. You could see the roots going down, and I covered it with a window screen so then no bugs would get on it. And now they've started to come up and develop their first 2 leaves, and I've moved them into the greenhouse now. So I hope this is a good idea. Hopefully it's not too hot in here and won't burn them. And what he says to do is water maybe like every day or every other day, just with a spray bottle, fine mist. So that's what we've been doing. We did it yesterday and today already. The girls have sprayed it down, so it's looking good. And hopefully a few more days and we'll have fresh sunflower microgreens to eat. And hey, these are super cheap to grow. The tray cost me like $2.50. The peat moss, you get a whole huge bag. They can probably do 100 trays for like $9.99. And then I got a big bag of bird seed, probably, I don't know how big it was, about 8 pounds of bird seed for $9. So, and that can probably make me way too many sunflowers. It's probably going to go bad before I ever get them all turned into microgreens. I'll end up just feeding them to the birds. Anyways, I hope you like this video. We'll try some other things. I've got peas coming next, and give you an update on how that works. And show you later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy your day.